Today we are working on a 2010 Grand Caravan, and we are replacing the outside mirror. First thing we're going to do is pop this little cover off the pole handle, and underneath there we will find a T20 screw. So we're going to remove that now. Next we need to remove this switch module. Just like that. Next we need to remove the electrical connector from the switch module. Next we want to come down to the pull handle area, and there is a little cover right here. Move that over to the side and we will find a T20 headed screw in there, and we have to remove that now. Next we need to pop this cover off right here on top of the door panel. Get that out of the way. Next we need to pop the door panel off. On there. Okay, it's loose. Now we lift up on the panel. Okay. We can leave the cable connected to the pole on there, because that's not in our way. The wire that goes to the mirror has a little connector right here. We'll just pop that out of the way. Get that loose. And if we come down here, we will see the connector to the mirror. Next we need to remove this electrical connector that goes to the mirror. Next we have to remove this 13mm headed bolt that secures the mirror to the door. There's the bolt. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on now, so it'll come right off, and you'll feed your wire out through that access hole. Now to replace the mirror, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point, and we'll have replaced our mirror on our Grand Caravan.